मैंने गए पीरियड में मैंने ये वाला सिखाया था, कौन सा, फ्रैक्शन। यहाँ भी आपको हाफ एंड ये दिखा रही है हाफ क्वार्टर, हाफ और क्वार्टर कैसे होता है, 3 पार्ट, 4 पार्ट, 6 पार्ट, इस तरह पार्ट के अंदर कितने पार्ट आप कलर कर सकते हो, कितने पार्ट आप खाने में दिखा रही है। देखो एक मांग की रोटी 2 पार्ट किया, ये देखो ही काटे पार्ट ऑफ फ्रॉम द बिगर पीस, बड़ा पीस लेके उसने खाने लग गया। इसी तरह एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं। ओके, अब देखो डिजिटल में ये किस तरह दिखा है।
When there was only a small piece remaining, he said, "This is my share for the work I did." He then quickly ate the last piece and climbed the tree. Half, half. If both these cats ask you to divide the chapati equally, how will you divide it? We will fold the chapati like this and will divide it into 2 equal parts. Like this. Look, aren't these 2 equal parts? If you do not cheat like Titu, both the cats will have the parts as shown here. Half of half. If 2 more cats come to eat, how will you divide one chapati in 4 equal parts? See, by folding the half part like this, we will make 2 more equal parts for the cats. Thus, each cat will get a 4th part, that is, quarter of the chapati. Half of many pieces. Rani got a chocolate. She divided it equally and gave half to her friend Reena. That is, there are 6 pieces of chocolate. To find half of 6, divide 6 by 2. We get 3. So, the portion that Reena got is circled here. How many pieces of chocolate are there? 6. How many pieces were left with Rani? 3. Rani says, "Ha! Half a chocolate is as tasty as a whole chocolate." Many shapes from a half sheet. Take a piece of paper. Cut the sheet into 2 equal triangles like this. So that each triangle is equal to half of the sheet. Color both the triangles with different colors. Using these 2 triangles, draw different shapes. One such shape is shown here. We will draw some more shapes. Many ways to cut into half. Monu says, "I have made 2 equal parts of a rectangle like this. Each part is half. We write it as 1 upon 2. It means 1 part out of 2 parts. To check whether both these parts are equal or not, keep one part on top of the other, like this. We can cut this rectangle into half in many different ways. Here, the rectangle is divided into 2 parts in 5 different ways. Observe them carefully. We will check if these parts are equal or not. In all, the 5 ways we divided the rectangle, each part exactly fits on the other part. So, these 2 parts are equal. Many ways to make quarters. A rectangle is divided into 4 parts as shown here. Each part is a quarter, which can be written as 1 upon 4. It means 1 part out of 4 parts. Let us divide this rectangle into 4 parts in different ways. Here the rectangle is divided into 4 parts in 5 different ways. Observe them carefully. Check if they are equal. In all these 5 ways, each part fits exactly on the other parts, which shows that the parts in each figure are equal. Cutting the cake. Rajni's father brought her a cake. She divided the cake into 4 equal parts for herself, her brother Raju, her father and her mother. Color each share with different colors. Everyone will get a 1/4, that is, a quarter part. The mother gave her share of cake to Rajni. Now color the total part that Rajni will get. Out of 4 parts, Rajni will get 2 parts, which is exactly equal to half of the cake. So we can write it as 2 upon 4 or 1 upon 2. Before Rajni's mother gave her share to Rajni, she had only 1/2 of the cake, which was 1/4 of the total cake. Color the share Raju got. That is, color the 4th part of the given circle. How much of the cake did Rajni and Raju together get? Let us color the 2 parts that Rajni got and 1 part that Raju got. So, out of total 4 parts, together they got 3 parts, which can be written as 3 upon 4. Greedy Kundan. Kundan is a greedy man. Whenever he goes to the market, he wants to get more and more, but doesn't want to spend much money. One day he feels like eating pumpkin halwa. He tries to buy a big pumpkin with only 10 rupees. He asks the first pumpkin seller the price of a big pumpkin. The first pumpkin seller, 1/4 of this pumpkin is for rupees 10. The cost of this full pumpkin will be rupees 40. How is that? Let's find out. 1/4 part means 1 part out of 4 parts. The cost of 1 part is rupees 10. Therefore, cost of 4 such parts is 10 into 4, that is equal to rupees 40. Kundan says, "Hey, for rupees 10, you should give me half of this pumpkin." The first pumpkin seller says, "Why don't you go to the other seller then? He can give you half of such a big pumpkin for rupees 10. I keep only best quality pumpkins." Now Kundan goes to another seller and looks for the pumpkin of the same size. Kundan asks, "How much of this pumpkin will I get for rupees 10? The second pumpkin seller says, "Half. The cost of this full pumpkin will be rupees 20. Kundan says, "Hey, can't you give me 3/4 of this pumpkin?" The second pumpkin seller says, "Run away. Go get your pumpkin from that man. He sells such bad vegetables that he will even give you a full pumpkin of this size for rupees 10. Greedy Kundan walks to the next pumpkin seller. He looks up at the same size of a pumpkin and asks, "Will you give me this big one for rupees 10? The third pumpkin seller says, "Why don't you climb the roof of that house? You can get as many pumpkins as you want for free from the plant itself." Kundan is very, very happy. He climbs the roof of that house and alas, he slips and falls down. He did not get the pumpkin but had to spend rupees 10 to get the medicines for his injuries. Thus, without getting the halwa, the miser Kundan's 10 rupees were used. Using a price list. Price of 1 kg of tomato is rupees 8. Price of 1 kg of potato is rupees 12. Price of 1 kg of onion is rupees 10. Price of 1 kg of carrot is rupees 16. Price of 1 kg of pumpkin is rupees 4. A. How much does half kg of tomatoes cost? Solution. The price of 1 kg of tomatoes is rupees 8. Then, the price of half kg of tomatoes will be 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. Hence, the price of half kg of tomatoes is rupees 4. B. Which costs more? Half kg of onions or 1/4 kg of carrots? Solution. The price of 1 kg of onions is rupees 10. So the price of half kg of onions will be 10 divided by 2. Dividing 10 by 2, we get 5. Now, the price of 1 kg of carrots is rupees 16. Therefore, to find the price of 1/4 kg of carrots, we will have to divide 16 by 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Thus, the cost of half kg of onions is rupees 5 and the cost of 1/4 kg of carrots is rupees 4. Therefore, the cost of half kg of onions is more than the cost of 1/4 kg of carrots. C. What is the price of 3/4 kg of potatoes? Solution. We know 3 upon 4 means 3 parts out of 4 parts. The price of 1 kg of potatoes is rupees 12. So, to find the price of 3/4 kg of potatoes, multiply 12 by 3 upon 4. The answer obtained is rupees 9. So, the price of 3/4 kg of potatoes is rupees 9. D. Kirti is going for shopping. She has only rupees 20 with her. Can she buy all the items in her shopping list? In her shopping list, she has potatoes half kg, pumpkin 2 kg and carrots 1/4 kg. The price of 1 kg of potatoes is rupees 12. The price of 1 kg of pumpkin is rupees 4 and the price of 1 kg of carrots is rupees 16. Solution. Here, the price of 1 kg of potatoes is given to be rupees 12. Kirti wants to buy half kg of potatoes. Therefore, the price of half kg of potatoes is 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. That is, the cost of half kg of potatoes is rupees 6. price of 1 kg of pumpkin is rupees 4. Kirti wants to buy 2 kg of pumpkin. So, the price of 2 kg of pumpkin is equal to 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. That is, the cost of 2 kg of pumpkin is rupees 8. The price of 1 kg of carrots is rupees 16. Kirti wants to buy 1/4 kg of carrots. So, the price of 1/4 kg of carrots is equal to 1 upon 4 into 16, that is equal to 4. That is, the cost of 1/4 kg of carrots is rupees 4. Thus, the cost of half kg of potato is rupees 6. The cost of 2 kg of pumpkin is rupees 8. And the cost of 1/4 kg of carrots is rupees 4. On adding rupees 6, rupees 8 and rupees 4, we get rupees 18. Kirti has rupees 20 with her, so she can buy all the items in her list. Self-study. Make 2 questions yourself from the price list. Practice. A. Which part of the figure is colored? Right below each figure. In the first figure here, half part is colored. In the figure given here, 2/4 part is colored, which we can also call 1 upon 2. B. Color that part of the figure which is written below. 1. Color half part. The figure given here is divided into 4 parts. We have to color half part. Half of 4 is 2. So, color 2 parts like this. In the second figure, 3/4 part is to be colored. Remaining 1/4 part is to be kept white. So, color the 3/4 part like this. 3. In this figure, 4 parts are given and we have to color 3/4 part. So, out of 4, 3 parts will be colored like this. 4. Here, the figure is divided into 4 equal parts. 1/4 part is to be colored. So let's color 1 part out of 4, like this. 5. In this figure, there are 6 equal parts. Half part is to be colored. Half of 6 is 3 parts. So color 3 parts. 6. This is a figure of a rectangle in which 3/4 part is to be colored. So, divide the rectangle in 4 equal parts and color 3 parts out of 4. C. Cut in half. Draw a line which divides these shapes into half. 1. The first shape is that of a bird. To divide it into half, start from its beak and draw a slant line till its tail like this. 2. The second shape can be divided into half like this. 3. Pumpkin. To divide the pumpkin into half, draw a vertical line like this. D. Color half the number of shapes as shown here. 8 rectangles are given here, out of which half of 8, that is 4 rectangles, are colored. In this figure, 18 small circles are given. We have to color half of them. Dividing 18 by 2, we get half of it, that is 9. So, color 9 circles. Here, 10 little flowers are given. To find half of 10, divide 10 by 2 to get the answer 5. So, color 5 flowers. E. Color 1/4 of these shapes. 1/4 part means 1 out of 4. So, out of 4 given shapes, color 1 shape. 2. Here, 8 leaves are given. 1/4 of 8 means multiply 1/4 by 8. We get 2. So, color 2 leaves. 3. 1/4 part means 1 out of 4 parts. So, out of given 4 boxes, color 1 box. F. Match the colored part as shown. See, in the first shape given here, out of 4 parts, 2 parts are colored. So, match it with 1/2. That is, match it with half. Here, out of 4 parts, 1 part is colored. So, join it with quarter and then join it with 1/4. Here, the whole shape, that is 4 parts, are colored. So, match it with whole and then join with 4/4. In the last figure, 3 parts out of 4 are colored. So join it with 3/4 and then join it with 3/4. G. Make the other half. Half of the picture is drawn here. Complete the picture by drawing the other half. Here we will complete the flower like this. The butterfly. Let's complete it like this. And then the spider. Let's complete it like this. H. This is a quarter of a picture. How many more quarters will you draw to complete it? A quarter of the picture of the sun is colored. To complete the picture, color the remaining 3/4 like this. Half and a quarter of a meter. Using a meter scale, cut a string of 1 meter. Fold the string into 4 equal parts. Then mark half meter, 1/4 meter and 3/4 meter on the string. Using this string now, draw a line of length half meter on the floor. How many centimeters long is the line? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Half of 100 centimeter is 50 centimeter. Hence, half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. 1/4 meter, that is a quarter meter, is equal to 25 centimeter. 3/4 meter, that is 3/4 meter, is equal to 75 centimeter. Now, what is the sum of half meter and 1/4 meter? Come, let's first convert them into centimeter and then add. Half meter is equal to 50 centimeter and 1/4 meter is equal to 25 centimeter. Their sum is 75 centimeter, which can also be written as 3/4 meter. Thus, half meter plus 1/4 meter is equal to 3/4 meter. Sharing milk. This bottle is full of milk and it holds 1 liter of milk. Pour this milk into 4 other bottles such that each bottle will have 1/4 liter of milk. Shake the bottles to show the level of milk in each bottle. Remember, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, how many milliliter of milk is there in each bottle? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, to find out how many milliliter make a quarter, that is 1/4 liter, we will have to multiply 1 upon 4 by 1000. The answer obtained is 250. This means each bottle has 250 ml milk in it. Shall hold 1 liter of milk into 2 bottles such that one bottle will have 3/4 liter of milk and the other one will have 1/4 liter of milk. Mark the level of milk in each bottle with a pencil. How many milliliter of milk does each bottle hold? To convert 3/4 liter into milliliter, we will have to multiply 3 upon 4 by 1000. The answer is 750. So, the first bottle has 750 ml of milk in it. Similarly, to convert 1/4 liter into milliliter, multiply it with 1000. We get 250. So the second bottle has 250 milliliter milk in it. Balance the weight. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So, if a weight of 1 kg is placed in one of the pans, then we will place 2 500 gram weights in the other pan to make the 2 pans equal. 2. If a weight of 1 kg is placed in one pan, then by putting 1 500 gram weight and 2 250 gram weight, both the pans can be balanced. 3. 1 kg weight in one pan and 3 weights of 250 gram, 1 weight of 200 gram and 1 weight of 50 gram in the other pan will balance each other. 4. If 1 kg weight is placed in one pan, then by putting 1 weight of 500 gram, 2 weights of 200 grams and 1 weight of 100 gram in the other pan, we can balance the 2 pans. 5. If the weight of 500 gram is placed in one pan, then by putting 2 weights of 250 gram in the other pan, both the pans can be made equal. 6. If there is a 500 gram weight in one pan, then by putting 1 200